Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you slimes that I made that I think are nice. Except for one of them, I think it's okay. But yeah guys, let's get on to the video. So guys, here's the first slime. I'm going to open it real quick. It's a really pretty purple with some glitter. I don't know if kind of looks blue on camera. Like it's purple. Oh my god. Oh my god, do you see that guys? There's a hair. I'm sorry, that disgusting. There's always something in my slime. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Hold up. Sorry guys. So we're gonna take it out now. Hold up. Let me change something. That's much better. I think it's better when I put it like this. When I'm stretching it and stuff. It's really stretchy slime. It's really nice. Hold up, it won't focus. Okay, there you go. My nose is blue because I was making slime. Guys, so yeah. Guys, by the end of this video, comment down below which slime was better. That's enough slime. Enough ASMR slime for this one, so let's get on with the next one. The next one is this really, well, gotta change the angle. This really pretty, it looks like, oh, okay. So it's really pretty. So it's blue, as you can see, with sparkles. And this is a Poopsie can little spoon. It's really warm. Hold up. Oh, I'm sorry if this is really kind of, it's hard to see, but oh, guys, I'm sorry. It's I call it moonlight sparkle because it looks like in the sky at night. It's really nice. Oh, okay, I think that's enough, guys. On to the next slime. This next one is a really pretty pink with sparkles. It's really jiggly. Oh, it's not really jiggly, but it's jiggly. Oh, okay. Okay. This jar makes a lot of farts. This specific jar. Hold up. Now, take the jar. It's not very stretchy, as you can see, because it's jiggly. It's really nice and glossy. It's not that much of it of like thing because you can't really do ASMR with this one. So yeah, guys, on to the next line. So this one is a really pretty green with a bunch of little sparkles. So can you hear that, guys? It's kind of sticky. Oh, okay. Wait, hold up. Okay, kind of sticky, guys. Hold up, guys. Let me change the angle. So let's take it out. It's also really nice and glossy. Really sticky, guys. So can't do that much ASMR with this one because it's really sticky. So yeah, guys, on to the next line. Oh, so here is the next line. It is a really light, pretty green, oh, with blue and green sparkles. This is the second most jiggly slime. So it's also very glossy. Oh, okay. Oh, not very good ASMR. Let's take that out. Oh. Okay, I know my tablet is low. Actually, really nice. Oh, well, there's a lot of glitter at the bottom, but you know, let's just not bother taking that out. Hold up. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna take it out of the jar because, like, if I take it out of the jar, it will, like, if it goes on the ground, it will get sticky on the ground. So I don't think I'm gonna take it out of the jar, but I'm gonna make a small in the jar. You probably don't even know what I said, but it's okay. Oh my god, I hate when that does it. It's really nice. So let's get on with the next line. Oh, okay, I should not done that. Okay. Now we're on to the bag slimes. So, oh my god. I have. Okay. So, this is a really pretty clear pink with a lot of glitter slime. Let me take it out. Here it is. It doesn't look clear right now, but I promise you it's clear. Clear. Clear like a booger. Okay, I stopped. It's really nice. I just don't want to get it cloudy. Even though it already is, but I don't want it to get so cloudy. And at the end, guys, I'm gonna show you a really good store-bought slime from the mall. In like a little, it's like from a little thing from the mall. So yeah, stay tuned for the end. Ew, I sound like a YouTuber. Okay, let's get on with the next one. Oh my god, guys, this video is taking so long. I have only shown like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm gonna show 4 more of the slimes in another video, but I'm gonna show you the last slime, the store-bought slime, as I promised, because I don't want to be like, go to the next one to see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get it. He is the store bought slime. All of the stores in there, I mean, all of the slimes in that little shop is clear. This was, I think, $5. It's really nice. It smells so good. Each of them have a different smell, guys. This one smells like flowers. The little decorations kind of fall out, so sometimes I take them out. But it's really nice and clear, and it smells really nice. I wish you could smell it. It smells like flowers. Why is there a blue? See that, guys? Now, folks, see, there's a blue one. Why is that in there? But it's really nice. So yeah, guys, this is the best store-bought slime I have ever had, because most of them are like not stretchy and ugly. I mean, they're not ugly, but I have another store-bought slime, but it's not as good as that one. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Woo. You probably didn't see all of it, but whatever. But thank you guys for watching this video. Now subscribe and like now, or I'm with all your Roblox account. Bye, guys.